how to turn on Wi-Fi direct to connect to other devices on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down. You will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on Wi-Fi. After click on Wi-Fi, click on this three dot icon and click on Wi-Fi direct. After click on Wi-Fi direct, so if you want to turn on Wi-Fi direct and connect to other device, so you will see here showing you Wi-Fi direct button, turn on Wi-Fi direct button, and here showing you devices if you want to connect. So click on device and you will see devices connect. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on Wi-Fi direct and connect to other devices on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.